Up first this evening, Jamaica has now confirmed 2 new cases of COVID-19. That now means there are 10 confirmed cases of the coronavirus in Jamaica. You'll hear more about that later from Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton. But first, we continue to monitor the situation in Bull Bay, St. Andrew, where the government imposed restrictions to contain the spread of COVID-19 after a woman who visited the area contracted the virus. While they say it's a good move, residents complained that they were not given a chance to adequately prepare themselves. Shamila Pullen reports.
48 hours after a security blanket was thrown over the Bull Bay area, residents are coming to grips with the reality of coping with limited movement. So for many people, it came as a surprise, and as such, they were not prepared. For safety reasons, we stayed miles away from the area, so we did not speak to the residents directly on camera. However, they were able to talk to us by sending us voice notes through WhatsApp messages.
Saturday was our main shopping day. We don't get a chance to go town or anywhere at all out of the community, so we can get some food to buy and them thing there. And it was that not even a sanitary item needed for the house, so that we can't get what we're supposed to get, you understand?
Some also complained about poor treatment from the security forces.
When I beg somebody to buy something, when you go feed them have to put it on ground. You can imagine somebody carry food for you and them have to put it on ground before you can take it up. Them thing then alright.
So far still, when them just come in, them they harsh, but basically them kind of tone it down a bit, because them realize that this community is not a hostile community. And I know people were hard to deal with and all of them things, they understand.
Due to the imposed restrictions, which will last for another 12 days, people say they are unable to go to work, a big setback for some, while others are concerned about losses given that some are self-employed.
What about persons that are self-employed? What are you going to do for those persons that lost revenue?
You have certain goals where you're set to achieve, right? And this imposed now, you can't do nothing at all. Everything is a total setback, so it affects you negatively.
Meanwhile, they're calling on the Ministry of Health to intervene and detail what the imposed restrictions mean for them.
So we need the process to just speed up a little faster, that people get checked, and we don't know what they are doing. If when they get checked, I'll get allowed to go to work or whatever, but we need somebody to come and talk to about this thing. Because we don't really understand it. You understand? We just here so we quarantine and that we can't leave the community. We just locked down.
And of course, we will continue to provide updates on measures to contain the pandemic. Reporting from Harbour View, I'm Shamila Pullen for TVJ News.